The induction process for seafarers includes the documentation required by payroll and personnel departments. New employees are required to read and understand the company's health, safety and environment policy, as well as the company's drug and alcohol policy. In most cases, the employee will have to sign as having done so. The captain or another senior officer will explain the requirements and responsibilities of the position and the job. New employees have to read and understand vessel's SOLAS training manual, if applicable. The employee should receive PPE applicable to the basic job requirements. The employee will provide evidence of a national insurance number and a Board of Inland Revenue number. The employee must have a valid medical certificate, training certificates and a passport. The employee must become familiar with the HSE policy. The Health, Safety and Environment Policy describes how the company is committed to health, safety and environmental protection. The employee must become familiar with the Drug and Alcohol Policy. The DNA policy describes the company's commitment to ensure a safe and healthy workplace for all staff, and outlines the company's expectations and requirements for creating and maintaining an alcohol and drug-free work environment, and for dealing with substance abuse in the workplace. The SOLAS training manual contains directions on safety signs, diagrams, emergency signals, and mustering. Life buoys and life jackets. The launching of life rafts, lifeboats and rescue boats. The embarkation and use of life rafts and lifeboats. First aid equipment. The SOLAS training manual contains directions on EPIRBs and SARTs. Immersion suits. The use of line throwing apparatus. The use of pyrotechnics. And helicopter rescue basics. The SOLAS training manual contains directions on life-saving appliance maintenance and records. Firefighting theory. Combustible material. Electrical equipment. And types of fire extinguishers. The SOLAS training manual contains directions on fixed firefighting equipment. The use of the fireman's suit. The use of self-contained breathing apparatus. Fire hoses, nozzles and hydrants. The location and operation of main and emergency fire pumps. The SOLAS training manual contains directions on the international shore connection. Emergency stops for fans, other equipment. Emergency shut-off valves for fuel. Handles for fire dampers and vents. And firefighting appliances maintenance and records.